Did you know that a gadget as easy as a pedometer can be a beneficial weight loss tool? Eating mindfully. Conscious consuming is a practice where individuals take notice of how and where they eat food. As many people lead hectic lives, they typically tend to consume quickly on the run, in the car, operating at their desks, and viewing TV. As an outcome, many individuals are hardly knowledgeable about the food they are consuming. Methods for mindful eating include: take notice of the food and enjoy the experience. Do not turn on the TV, or a laptop, computer or phone. Require time to chew and savor the food. Consuming protein for breakfast. Protein can control appetite hormones to help people feel complete. This is mostly due to a decrease in the appetite hormone ghrelin and an increase in the satiety hormones peptide YY, GLP-1, and on young people has likewise demonstrated that the hormone effects of eating a high-protein breakfast can last for numerous hours. Cutting down on sugar and fine-tuned carbohydrates. The Western diet is increasingly high in sugar coating, and this has guaranteed links to, even when the sugar occurs in instead of food. Refined carbs are heavily processed foods that no longer consist of fiber and other nutrients. These include white rice, bread, and pasta. Excess glucose goes into the blood and provokes the hormone insulin, which promotes fat storage in the fat. This contributes to weight gain. Where possible, individuals ought to switch processed and sweet foods for more healthy alternatives. Good food swaps include whole grain rice, bread, and pasta rather of the white version's fruit, nuts, and seeds rather of high-sugar snackshare teas and fruit-infused water instead of high-sugar sodas, smoothies with water or milk rather of fruit juice. 6. Consisting of lots of fiber in the diet can increase the sensation of fullness, potentially causing weight loss. Fiber-rich foods include whole grain breakfast cereals, whole wheat pasta, whole grain bread, oats, barley, and rye, fruit and vegetables, peas, beans, and pulses, nuts and seeds. 7. Stabilizing gut bacteria. One emerging area of research is concentrating on the function of germs in the gut on weight management. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Click the link in description to see additional bonuses.